We discovered toys. This house has toys. Look at that face. Don't you want to give her a home? Look how cute she is. And she's very friendly.
Aren't you friendly? Yes, I am. I'm very friendly. I have a cute tail and I wag it. I like to go do chores with people. I like bones.
Yeah, I like this dog here that I want to play with.
She's not very interested in playing with me, but I'll make her want to play.
I'm very cute. I need a home.
I need someone to love me.
Gulp, gulp, gulp. I'll do whatever I can to keep this dog out of the pound.
Yes.
Yes, I will. Yes, you don't need to go to the pound.